Welcome. Welcome to VVSM Academy, a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision. I am Veerabhadra, a school of arts and science, VVSM Academy. Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to VVSM Academy, a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision. I am Veerabhadra from BOTANY. Come friends, let us discuss about the gymnosperms, acro-gymnosperms, which are also called as the naked seeds. Why they are called naked seeds in the botanical science? Come on friends, let us have a brief outlook on gymnosperms, the classification of gymnosperms, and so many things and so forth. Well, I would like to give a brief introduction to the gymnosperms. I would like to divert your attention about the geobiology is a field of scientific research that explores the interactions between the physical earth and the biosphere. It is relatively young field and its borders are fluid. The gymnosperms are a group of seed-producing plants that includes conifers Cycads Ginkgo and Gnetales. The term gymnosperm comes from a Greek terminology, composite word meaning naked seeds, after the unenclosed condition of the seeds called ovules in the unfertilized state. The naked condition stands in contrast to the seeds and ovules of flowering plants. Angiosperms, which are enclosed within an ovary, gymnosperm seeds develop either on the surface of scales or leaves, often modified to form cones, or at the end of short stalks as in Ginkgo. The gymnosperms and angiosperms together compose the spermatophytes or seed plants. By far of the largest group of living organisms, gymnosperms are the conifers, pines, cypresses and relatives, followed by cycads, Gnetophytes and Ginkgo, a single living species. It is widely accepted that the gymnosperms originated in the coniferous period around 319 million years ago. Early characteristics of seed plants were evident in fossils of the late Devonian period around 380 million years ago. It has been suggested that during the mid-Mesozoic era, pollination of some extinct groups of gymnosperms was by extinct species of scorpion flies that had specialized proboscis and feeding on pollination drops. The scorpion flies engaged in pollination mutualisms with gymnosperms long before the similar and independent co-evolution and nectar-feeding insects on angiosperms. Well friends, definition of gymnosperms. What is gymnosperm? What are gymnosperms? Or define gymnosperm. One crucial step in the evolutionary history of all plants was the development of seeds. Seeds provide a viable means for dispersal of offspring without the need of water. They are a far more efficient way of dispersal and allow plants to exist away from direct sources of water. Gymnosperms were the first plants to have seeds. They are often referred to as having naked seeds because they do not have flowers and their seeds develop on the surface of reproductive structures of the plants rather than being contained in specialized ovary. These seeds are often found on the surface of cones and short stalks. What are the characteristics of gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are a group of plants with the flowering unique characteristics. They do not have an outer ovary or shell around their seeds. They do not produce flowers. They do not produce fruits. They are pollinated by the wind. See, this is the important things. See, my dear friends, this is a gymnosperms. They are also called as acro-gymnosperms, which are also called as naked seeds. See, these are classified into the conifers Cycads Ginkgo and Gnetophytes. Well, there are over 1000 living species of gymnosperms. It is widely accepted that the gymnosperms originated in the late Carboniferous period, replacing the rainforests of the tropical region. This appears to have been a result of a whole gymnosperm duplication, genome duplication. Genome duplication is an important criteria in this. Over around 319 million years ago, the gymnosperms, also known as acro-gymnosperms, are a group of seed-producing plants that includes conifers Cycads Ginkgo, Gnetophytes. The term gymnosperm comes from the composite word of the Greek terminology. Gymnos means naked, and sperma means seed, literally meaning naked earth. Various gymnosperms, in the left side you can find a Welchisia mirabilis, Cycas revoluta, Taxus baccata, and Ginkgo biloba. On the right side you can find the cypresses, sempervirens, the sequo edenodron, gingatium, and Damara orientalis, and Araucaria heterophylla. Well, friends, gymnosperms, the pollination, how it occurs, the pollination and other this reproduction and all, the structure of gymnosperm seed is, this is the nucleus, this is nucleus, and this is megasporocyte, and this is integument, and this is micropyle. This is micropyle. This is a gymnosperm seed, the structure of the gymnosperm seed. This is angiosperms and gymnosperms. We will discuss later in the forthcoming classes. Well, this is important so that we will see the gymnosperms and the origin of the gymnosperms and all in the forthcoming classes. Okay, thank you for listening.